Hello everyone. So now I'm going to share my next assignment for COVID-19 analysis. I need to do a COVID-19 global pandemic analysis as per my data. So the requirement is I need to create one COVID-19 Power BI app. Okay, technology to use this Power BI, and the number of chart I need to do is column chart, bar chart, don't chart, measures, and cards. Okay, and this is the data source link from where I get the data. The requirements are these. I need to create a report. There should be the option to check all the countries in the start, option to select the state-wise cases updated, option to check testing for COVID-19, dashboard display total cases, active cases, death, total recovered, serious cases related to specific country. Okay. Option to select daily new cases by state and the country. Option to check days since last reported case. Analyze small multiples by countries, US states and countries. Okay. The next is the use dynamic running averages by countries or US states. Analyze by week numbers or end of the week dates. Performance improvement line chart visualization are now loading faster by using week dates in the axis. Okay, and this is the note for me. I need to create the report like this. Okay, so let's here they are using some cards, and this is the column chart. This is the bar chart. This is the column clustered column chart. So I will show you how to use this in Power BI. Let's move towards the Power BI report. So here we are. I need to get data. So I have provided by this link, this data source link. Okay, so I need to copy this link and then I need to get data by web. So as I getting data from web, I need to paste that link here and then say okay. I as I already imported the data, I will show you the data set. Okay, so these are the countries. These are the countries. Okay, and these total cases, new cases as per that country's total deaths, new deaths, total recovered, active cases, serious and critical cases, total cases from 1 million population, deaths from 1 million population, total test per million population and the continent. Okay, so here are the data. Okay, so I taken one text box from this from the format, from insert. I need to take one text box for the heading. Okay, so I selected one text box and write the COVID-19 global pandemic analysis there. I change the background color as this orange and the text color as, so from here we can change the text color. We can give a size, and we can change the font. We can say it like left, right, and center. We can bold this. Okay, so as like this, I have created this text box as a heading of my visual report. Then I taken one card from here. So in the visualization pane, there is one option to take a card. Okay, so we need to select this card, and then I added the total cases in the field. So this is giving me total cases as per country. As I select these countries from this slicer, I get the total cases, active cases. Likewise, I did for active cases. I taken the card. Okay, I then I taken a field as active cases here. Here, this is the same as like that. So this is the card. I have taken the total recovered cases here, and this is the total test of COVID-19 as per the country. We can see from here. This is also the card. This is the total deaths, and this is the critical and serious cases. Okay, so as per our requirement, we need to add one slicer here. So this is the slicer for the country. Okay. So from here we can do analysis by the countries. Okay. So as of now we see my report first. So this is the stacked bar chart. Okay. So from visualization pane you need to select this stacked bar chart, and after selecting we need to add these values: active cases, total recovered cases, new cases, total deaths in the values. Okay. For shown like this. Okay. As per my requirement I need to create the same. That's why I did all the fields values. I taken all the fields in the values field. Okay. So if we want the count, if we want the sum, average, minimum, maximum count, we can take from this. But as of now, I have taken the sum of all these fields: active cases, total recovered, new cases, total deaths. Okay. This is the clustered column chart. Okay. So here is also we can see here the total deaths, total cases, new cases, and active cases field I have taken. So from visualization pane, we have to take this cluster column chart for this. Then we have to add this total deaths, total cases, new cases, active cases in the values field. Okay. So this will give us a report like this. Okay. We can see the tooltip. So this is the showing total cases. This showing the total deaths. This is the active cases. Okay. So then this is the summary of COVID-19 cases. So this is the chart I have taken from visualization called as donut chart. Okay. So I have taken from here. After selecting, I need to add the fields. So in the values, I have taken total cases, total deaths, total test, new cases, and new deaths. So as like this, we can see here the donut chart is created. It giving us a percentage, like how many percentage of the people, how many percentage from any of the country total cases are there, how many total tests are happened there. So we can see like that. We can see maximum number of COVID cases by only not more. I have taken the table from visualization pane, and in this table I have taken these two country and total cases as the values. So I can see the two columns here. I need to add a filter here. Okay. Actually, I don't. I was doing that like. See here. I only check this or only click on this arrow. It will give you like it will give you the maximum and minimum count. So this total is this, and the USA. So the more number of maximum number of COVID cases are present in USA as per our data, and the minimum number of COVID cases in the Micronesia. There is only one case of COVID-19. So as like we can see the minimum number of COVID cases and the maximum number of COVID cases. Okay. So and this is the slicer I have taken from this visualization pane, and I uh, I have taken this visualization pane slicer, and then I have added the country as a field. So we can do we can select any country and we can see the data for that particular country. Okay, if I select this, so let's select USA. So after selecting any of the country, we are able to see the data for that particular country. So I selected Taiwan. Okay. So for this, there are 16 k total cases are there. 151 active cases are there. 15K recovered cases are there. The 6 billion tests are happened there. Total deaths is 840, and there is a zero count of serious cases. Okay. So we can analyze the data as per country. Okay. So thank you for watching this video.